Hi, I'm Louise Bastock, Deputy Editor at Finder UK, and today I'm going to be taking a closer look at Monzo, one of the original digital challenger banks. As well as covering some of the basics, in this video I'll give you a quick tour around the app and its features, answer any safety concerns you might have, and give you the down low on whether we think it's worth it. Monzo has been around since 2015, so many of you will already be familiar with it. But for those of you who haven't yet been dazzled by the, I'm going to say now, iconic coral card, Monzo is what's known as a digital challenger bank. It operates without branches, and your account is entirely managed through an app on your phone. The app is loaded with intuitive features, budgeting tools and spending insights to help you make the most of your money. There is no fee for using the card or making payments, including abroad, and ATM withdrawals are free up to £250 a month. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be looking at the free Monzo current account, but there are also a number of tiered, paid-for premium accounts available that unlock extra features. Okay, so let's take a look at the app now. Now, I've blurred out my personal details and my purchases so that y'all can't see what ridiculous things I've been spending my money on, although I will admit it's mostly just M&S sandwiches, so not all that exciting. Right, so this is the Monzo homepage. From here you can get an overview of your current account as well as any savings pots that you've set up. As you scroll down the page, you'll see various other options to manage your account, like creating a new pot, setting up fee-free allowances and adding money to your account. You can also learn more about overdrafts and loans, but I'll go into more detail on these later in the video. Right at the bottom of the homepage, you've got the option to split a bill, open a joint account, apply for a business account, and even switch all of your money from your old bank to Monzo. In the bottom navigation, you've also got the payments page, and this is where you can quickly and easily pay your friends or request a payment from them in just a few clicks. Click on any of your accounts or pots to see them in more detail. At the top here, underneath your card, you can see your account information as well as your card controls, where you can literally freeze and defrost your card in 2 clicks of a button if your card gets lost or stolen. Underneath this, you'll see real-time updates of what you have spent and where, as well as monthly spending reports that will appear once they've been calculated each month. One thing that I find really useful is this timeline at the top where you can see how much money you've got left for how many days remaining in the month. It's really great if you've taken your eye off the budget a little bit, just kind of helps you get back on track. You can also click this pie chart icon in the top right hand corner that takes you through to more advanced spending insights, and from this page in the top left hand corner you can click budgets and choose to set spending limits on things you want to budget for. Back to your card now. If you toggle to the left, you will get more information on Monzo Plus. Monzo Plus is Monzo's premium account. It comes with a monthly fee as well as lots of extra features like additional spending breakdowns, advanced spare change roundups, and the chance to earn interest on money both in your account and in any of your pots. If you toggle to the right, you'll get access to your pots. Pots are spaces where you can separate and organise your money away from your main account. They have a similar interface to your current account page, but with slightly different features. Pots are a great way to put money aside or save for a rainy day, but you can literally set one up for any reason you like. So let's set one up to see what they can do. You can either set up a pot by hitting create when you navigate right to the end of all your pots and your cards, or you can do this from the home page by selecting create a pot. First things first, you're going to want to pick a name and a snazzy little wallpaper for your pot. So this pot is going to be for my holiday next year, so I'm going to call it holiday. I'm going to pick these little deck chairs just to give me some inspo, and then basically it's up to you to customize your pot. You can set goals by typing in an amount in this goal function. You can also round up transactions, so money just automatically gets pulled into this pot every time you make a purchase. You can also lock the pot. Now, locking the pot doesn't mean that you then don't have access to this money. It just simply means that when you go to try and take money out, there's an extra step or an extra blocker in the way to make you think twice about whether you really actually want to touch this money or not, which is just a great way to give you that extra incentive to leave your savings alone. You should think about pots more as organisational tools than a proper savings account, as you won't earn any interest. If you did want to earn interest on your savings, you'd need to open an integrated savings account through one of Monzo's partners. And you can do this via the app by clicking Earn Interest on Your Money and having a little look through their savings options. Let's go back now to some of Monzo's additional in-app features. So as well as managing your money through your current account, with Monzo you can also open a joint account or apply for a business account. You can also set up an overdraft up to £500 and get a personal loan up to £3,000 through its marketplace partners. In short, yes. Unlike many of its competitors, Monzo is an actual bank, which means it's licensed under the same standards as any normal bank. Monzo has full Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS protection, covering up to £85,000 of your money, as is the standard for UK bank accounts. Your card and in-app purchases are PIN protected, and the app uses magic links sent to your email to keep your login secure. You can also increase that security by adding two-factor authentication to your email as well. Plus, with instant notifications, you'll be immediately alerted to any unusual activity on your account. Monzo is by far one of the most popular digital challenger banks, and not without reason. The app is super easy to use, set up and manage, and is also really colourful and fun. The only real drawbacks are the limits on free ATM withdrawals and the fact that you don't get as many features as, say, with a traditional current account, like, for example, credit card and insurance options. Other than that, in our opinion, Monzo is a competitive option for a solid current account. There are loads of digital challenger banks to choose from, so to help decide whether Monzo is the right bank for you, head to finder.com/UK to read our full review. Links are in the description below. So, are you already a Coral card carrier, or maybe you're thinking about switching or opening an account? We would love to hear what you think, so leave us a comment below or hit this button here to subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.